lost at night in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hi water signs, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for December the 8th to December the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. Ayan, so kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And again, sabi ko nga, nagla-live tayo doon. If you want to join, you're very much welcome. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form. Sa baba po no, nandun yung amount per question, the name, the number for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Water signs. So parang ang sinasabi mo dito, parang you're either convincing yourself, you want to prove to yourself na magiging okay din ang lahat, no? I think that there's a separation in here. Whether this is physical or energetic. I need to reiterate this para sa mga bago. The physical separation, no? Ito yung literal na form na magkalayo kayo, no? Kasi when we say separation, it's a very vague word, no? I'm going to let you know the difference of a physical and energetic separation. The physical separation is, again, in physical form, magkahiwalay kayo. Pwedeng nasa kabilang bahay, nasa kabilang kalye, no? Pwedeng nasa kabilang city, nasa ibang city, state, county, country, different continent, ibang planeta, what have you, no? Magkalayo. Ang energetic separation, ito yung pwedeng nakikita nga kayo, pwedeng nasa iisang bahay kayo, no? Nasa isang kwarto, na isang opisina, school, no? What else? Conjugation, whatever, no? Parish, whatever, isang group. Pero, school, di ba? Pero hindi kayo napapansinan. Pwedeng merong lack of communication, less communication, no communication, or naka-block. Pwedeng to a point na yung sa inis, nagkikita nga kayo pero yung parang gusto mong iwasan, no? ng tingin. Ayaw mong ni sa titig, ayaw mong gawin. Pwede rin itong combination of both, which is medyo masakit, no? Parang ang sinasabi mo dito, things are going to be okay, no? Parang sabi mo dito, may acceptance na rin na if this is not meant for me, I think I'm done with my chasing, no? I'm done with reaching out. I'm done with hoping, no? No matter how much I love the person, parang sinasabi mo dito na I think I fully realized that if it's not meant to happen, it's not going to happen. And I have to be okay with that so that I can move forward, no, with my life. I think the maturity in here, uh, nakakita din ako dito ng probably yung grievance, no? Or sabihin natin yung grief na lang, no? Took really a while. Well, no wonder you're a water sign, so emotions keeps on running. So it felt like hinayaan mo rin kasing siguro sinabi mo dito, iiiyak ko to, no? Up until wala na akong mailuha. Um, and I think that what you're doing here, no, we need to validate how emotional the water signs can be. Kasi usually yung ibang tao, 'di ba, ang ginagawa nila ay if it's happiness, I am going to celebrate this, no? Uh if it's sabihin nating excitement, no, parang I'm going to surrender with the ecstasy of being excitement. Pero when it comes to sadness, hindi lahat ng tao ganun ka lakas ang loob to face the dark side of the emotion. Yung iba nag-skip, no? Yung iba they tend to parang magre-reroute, no? Merong denial. Hindi ako naniniwala sa ganyan and blah 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 up until things kind of piled up. Yun yung masakit eh. So when it comes to water sign, kasi ang akala nila ng mga tao na kapaligid sa'yo, ay, sila yung pinaka-soft, no, na mga tao. Mga mahihinang nila lang. Pero, you are the bravest because of, wala naman kasi sa inyong kayang harapin every stages of emotion, no? Chances are, yung iba, no, ayoko magsabi ng zodiac, pero yung iba, instead of, sticking to the truth, idinadaan sa galit, no? And that is, anger is different from being sad, no? Anger is different from a grief. So, yung sa inyo, pinaka-realness. So, this is grief, this is sadness, and I'm going to be true with the sadness, no? I'm going to pass through this. Yun nga lang, ang tendency kasi minsan ng water sign is, dapat kasi, emotion kasi yan eh, di ba? Every emotion should be felt, no? Ang sadness, pain is an emotion and it should be felt. Doon magaling ang mag-handle, no, itong mga water signs. Pero, yung iba kasi, no, hindi ko rin sasabihin specific, no, yung zodiac sign dito sa water signs na to. Masokista. Ito, pagdadaanan mo lang siya para makapunta ka sa dapat mong patunguhan. Aba, ginawang bakasyunan, no? Ay, dito na lang ako. Mas komportable ko dito sa pain. Ayan, ginawang bakasyon, no? Imbis na dapat, dadaanan mo lang yan eh, no? Ang ginawa, ay, magti 3 days, 2 nights ako dito. Ayun tayo. Hanggang doon na nanirahan. Which is, hindi ko sasabing mali. Kasi dadating din eh. Pinahaba lang nila yun nga, up until siguro, yun yung pinapoint out ko. Up until siguro, wala na akong maramdaman. No? Kapag wala na ako, pag namanhid na ako, and I think, yun lang yung inaantay ko, ay, goodbye ka na. Huyo ka na. No? Yun ang pinaka-masakit na pwede mong iparamdam kay water signs, no? Kasi kapag yan naman huyo ka na talaga. Kahit magpadulas ka sa blade, no? Sumayaw ka sa ubando, no? Umiyak ka ng dugo. Pag nahuyo ka, huyo ka. Ang water signs kaya nilang makipagsalubungan sa'yo as if hindi kanila nakilala. As if you don't even exist. As if pwede nilang punitin, no? Ang page ng part ng buhay na yon na hindi nangyari. Yun ang pinaka-worst na pwede mong gawin sa kanila at iparamdam nila sa iyo, no? So parang the jokes is on you. Kala mo nasaktan mo sila. Yes, probably at first. Pero the jokes is on you dahil tatalbog yun sa iyo. Mind you, no? With the 7 of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Pentacles. I think that you were very open, no? You've become too open-minded na, no? So siguro nandito na tayo sa realization of acceptance na nga yung tinatawag ko kanina. I should move forward. I should, sabihin natin, be happy, no? Kasi I was free, no? From feeling the pain. I was free from yung wala akong peace of mind. Now, it felt like I am ready to party, meet people, and the 8 of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. So, matagal rin tayong naging, hindi ito yung kasi yung part na nakipag-break ako, magwawalwal ako, no? At makipaglandian ako. No. With the 8 of Swords, you tried to really feel, I don't know how to say this, but I think, other zodiac signs won't understand this. Only water signs can understand this. I will feel the pleasure of this pain, no? With the Tower and the Empress. And I think that you used, no, this pain, this separation, to fuel up, siguro, nandito na tayo sa nagpagupit na tayo ng buhok. Isa pa yan, no? Either nag-diet na tayo, nag-exercise na tayo, or nag-gain tayo ng weight na yung kumbaga sa sinadya natin, no? Kasi meron talaga ding sobrang petite na gusto mag-gain ng weight, no? There's no body shaming in here. Kasi, di ba, sabi nga nila, wala naman talagang satisfactory ang tao. Yung mga taba, gusto magpapayat, no? Yung payat, gusto magkaroon ng laman, no? There's no, we don't have to question, the body form. Kung saan sila masaya, no? Ay, pumayat din ako dati kung akala nyo lang. With the Page of Swords, the Hermit, and the Knight of Cups. Ang sayo is, I am ready to meet other people, but I feel like I am not ready for a real relationship yet. So, landi-landi lang muna, no? Meeting with people. With the Hermit in here, para kasing, I am not going to do the things that I did, probably opening up, loving someone right off the bat, no? So, parang sinasabi mo dito, now, I am much wiser. Siguro yung kanta dito ni Miss, ng ating songbird, no? You Made Me Stronger. So, parang yun yung team song mo ngayon, no? With the World Cup, uy, I love this, and an Ace of Wands. So, chances are, no, doon sa mga, again, I am not in the position to question this, no? Kanya-kanyang trip yan eh. For a few numbers of you, especially for those who are in an LGBTQIA+, I think that you are going to explore yourself in an intimate, sexy, wild, no, thing. But I feel like in the end, no, this one night stand, makakatagpo tayo ng isang tao na magiging karelasyon natin. Again, for those who are wild enough, no? So kung ano ka pa naman, no, wala ka pang karanasan, wag mo ipilit, no? Kasi nakakita ko by next year, meron din talagang taong um if you're ready, no? If you're ready, ipapakita niya na you deserved to be loved. So you're ready to move forward, and I think that you're fully accepting, no? um that changes in inevitable, and no one here, parang sabi nga dito, happiness is an inside job, 'di ba? Walang ibang pwedeng makapagpaligaya sa iyo kundi ikaw lang din, no? So is your call, and I think you're calling right now, no? You're pressing the button now. It's time for me to be happy. No, so this is your reading again. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Doon po tayo nagla-live. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, magtanong po kayo dito sa ating description sa comment section, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. No, nandun po yung question form, nandun po yung amount per question, the name, the number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So water signs, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Leo. Ayan. So this is your reading again. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.